All right, in this video, we're going to go over how to download marketing items from your Real Estate Photographer Pro marketing kit, and then download those items and then post them to your social media platforms. So we're going to go first to your marketing kit. So inside your library, you have a marketing kit here on the left-hand side, marketing kit. Click on marketing kit. That will take you to this page. And then you will have, there's actually about 80 pre-made social media templates here. We say in the marketing 40 because realistically you're probably going to use about half of them. Under each one there's a little arrow right here, so you can do a drop down screen and there are more choices, and that just keeps going. It goes through the sales cycle. So, and then you've got Facebook, Instagram, YouTube post, Pinterest post, and under each category there's that little arrow right there. So there's more gifts there, more pre-made social media posts under every category. I'm going to go all the way down and drop them all down so we can see all of them. And then you don't want to download all of these. These will always be here. You can come back as long as the listing is live, as long as the website is live. So I think these go for 6 months, and then we can extend them, and if they need to go longer, we can actually turn it into a website and you can purchase a domain. So there's all of the posts. There's more teaser videos and slideshows there, and then there's examples. I'm going to go back to the top, and we'll just download a couple. I'm going to download this one right here. I'm going to hit download, showing me a download sign here. Now, while that one's downloading, I'm going to drop down and show you on some of these, that on the video reels, the download actually, see all of these, the download is right there. But on these reels here, all these you can click in and edit too. So on these, you have to click. You can see there it started the download right here in the top right hand corner. You can see the download started. There's one where the download takes 2 clicks. It's the video reels right down here. Here we go. You have to go, you click download right here. When you click here, it's actually, you want to go here. This is what I call a video reel. It's a slideshow. And then you go into your download box. So I'm going to go to my download box now. Download folder. I'm thinking about Dropbox. So let me pull that over so you can see it. So now those are in my download folder. Download folder. Everyone's download folder looks a little bit different. Now I'm just going to post it on Facebook. So I'm going to Facebook. I'm already on Real Estate Photographer Pro, my social media account. And I'm going to go right here, upload, go back to download so I can see that, grab that. And then you can, we need to add a little bit of information. I'm going to go right here. I'm just going to grab the address right here. We don't need the zip code. We're not mailing anything. You could even do this. I think the city is the most important thing. If somebody's shopping that area, they're going to want to see that first. And you could put and then post. And then I always suggest share. Post, comment, and share. And then I should have done a tag too if I was really being diligent about it. I should do 5 hashtags. So that post is still loading up. I'm looking for it. But here's a post. Let me refresh my social media page, Real Estate Photographer Pro, see if that post has gone live. See, Facebook has to approve a lot of these posts. Let's do another one. Maybe I did something wrong. Okay. Refresh the browser. Okay, it's there now. And now I'm just going to share it in a group. So you want to be participating in some groups. I'm going to say, let's put this one in Sale Middle Tennessee. And then we'll do that again. So now it's on my social media page, Real Estate Photographer Pro, and then Real Estate Photographer Pro just posted it in a group. And then in a few days, you can come back and grab another one and repost these on different platforms. If you have a YouTube channel, you can post these on YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest. YouTube is a great place to post at. All right, that's it. Thank you.